Did you know that monkeys are some of the most playful animals on Earth? Just like human children, they love to have fun and get up to all sorts of mischief. I've spent many years observing these fascinating creatures, and I'm constantly amazed by their intelligence and ability to learn. One particularly amusing experience involved a troop of macaques I was observing in Southeast Asia. They had discovered a discarded plastic bucket and were taking turns wearing it on their heads, running around and bumping into each other. The way they tumbled and rolled around in their silly headgear was incredibly comical, and it was clear they were having a whale of a time. Monkeys engage in a wide variety of play activities, from rough-and-tumble wrestling to intricate games of chase. Young monkeys in particular are full of energy and spend hours each day honing their social skills through play. One of their favorite pastimes is swinging from branches, using their long limbs and prehensile tails to navigate the canopy with impressive agility. Chasing is another popular activity, with monkeys shrieking and darting through the undergrowth in a flurry of movement. These games help them develop coordination, balance, and spatial awareness, essential skills for navigating their arboreal world. While it may look like monkeys are just having fun, their playful antics serve a vital purpose. Through play, young monkeys learn essential life skills that are crucial for their survival and social development. By engaging in mock fights and chases, they develop the strength, coordination, and strategic thinking needed to hunt and evade predators. Moreover, play helps monkeys develop important social bonds and learn their place within the group's hierarchy. Through playful interactions, they learn to communicate effectively, share resources, and resolve conflicts peacefully. These social skills are essential for maintaining harmony within the troop and ensuring the group's overall survival. Just like us, monkeys need to play to thrive. Play is not just a frivolous activity, it's a fundamental part of their physical, cognitive, and social development. It helps them grow into strong, capable, and well-adjusted members of their troop. So the next time you see a monkey at play, remember that they're not just goofing around, they're hard at work learning and growing. The joy and exuberance with which monkeys approach play is a testament to the power of play in the animal kingdom. It's a reminder that laughter, joy, and a sense of fun are essential elements of a fulfilling life, no matter what species you belong to.